In this video, we are going to discuss about Bevel Protractor used to measure angle of workpiece with a least count of 5 minutes. It consists of main body frame having graduated scale called as main scale, a circular plate having vernier scale mounted on main body frame, an adjustable blade with working edge which can travel along its length and locked at any position with the help of locking nut. Here stock acts as one of the working edge and other working edge will be blade which is held on circular plate. The adjustable blade can be rotated along with circular plate on the main body, which means vernier scale on the circular plate will be rotated on the main scale. The vernier scale has 12 divisions on each side of 0. That means there are total 24 divisions on the vernier scale. 12 divisions are denoted as 60 minutes on vernier scale, where one division is of 5 minutes. To measure acute angle of workpiece, one of the face of workpiece is kept on working edge and adjustable blade is rotated such that it touches the other surface of workpiece edge. And the acute angle of workpiece can be measured from main scale reading and vernier scale reading. While taking angular measurement, the zero line of vernier scale shows the reading on main scale, called as main scale reading. In our case, the main scale reading will be 50 degree, and divisions on vernier scale will coincide with the divisions on main scale, and that reading is noted as vernier scale reading. And here vernier scale reading will be 8. I will put the values of main scale reading and vernier scale reading in formula, and here the least count is 5 minutes. Therefore, calculated value of angle measured will be 50 degree and 40 minutes.